I'm just at the front here, I'm just putting in my hubcaps, tying them on the hose ring. I'm not 100% sold on the fitment. I think I can do something to get them to fit a bit tighter. Aye, cracking all day though. 9:30 in the morning, the sun's out. So it is. Gonna be quite nice, I think. Feel warm already. Aye. Nearly there with the hubcaps, but not quite there. Just want them to pop off and lose any of them. I'm at the back door. I'm at the back Fiesta. I'm just trying to override her on for size. I think I'll put it a bit there. That's the bolt that's in there. So it needs a hole drilled in the bumper in where this black strip is. I'm pretty sure it's just in about the middle of that black strip. So that's what I'll do. It's not big enough, I'll get a wee bit of movement on it anyway. I'm going to get a centre dab. Make a wee hole. I think I'm going to put my boot where that one is. That's right enough, huh? I'll shut the boot down and see what it lines up with once the boot's shut. Another point or what? Right, I'm drawing a hole into the bumper now. It's the second pilot hole. I can move it over about 10 mil to the right, but it doesn't matter. I've got vinyl stripe to go along there anyway, and the over side I'll cover it up. It's just too close to the bracket that had the bumper on where I had it. I'll draw it, pilot, and then draw it bigger. Hope I've got it near enough right. Right, got my hole drilled in my bumper. I used this step drill once I had a wee pilot hole in it. So I did. I'll just put the right way up. Yes it is. See if I get the hole in the right place. I'm pretty sure it will be. There we go. Sound. Another one's on with straps, so I can adjust that and put a bolt in it later. Aye, let's just nip that up, that'll be that done. So I'll not tighten it right up because I want to stick the vinyl sort of under them. But yeah, sound. Right, that's me got both these rear bumper overriders on. So I need to tighten it up. I need to tighten that one up. I need to adjust that on. I will draw the bumper later and bolt the other one on, but other than that. So I've got the vinyl on the house there, so I'll go and see if I can get it stuck on the stripe. Cover up that hole that I drilled by mistake. But aye, I didn't want them on the inside of the bumper brackets, you see, because they're too close, so I'll put them there. Right, that's fine, isn't it? I've moved this left one, this is the adjustable one over a wee bit. Better check the boot opens though. I say I still need to tighten them both up. Yeah, that's the way they're designed. Yeah, bummer if it didn't though. That ox sticking again. In Glasgow at a Fiesta show once and the boot lock gave up. The bungee strap, going by bungees. I'll get him and fit another one. Cool.